Hello boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to sign on to Google Classroom using your Chromebook. And in this example, you will see how to do our math assignments and how to turn them in. Let's get started. Click on sign on with a different account. If you click on next, it wants to access your badge, and we don't have that. And instead we're going to click here, sign on with a different account. Enter your username, enter your password. When you get to this page, click the G, sign in as a student. Now we're going to click on Google Classroom. Now you click on your teacher's Google Classroom page. Now you're going to click on classwork. Click on it, and then you want to click on view assignment. Okay, so once you click on view assignment, you're going to click on the assignment. Make sure you do not mark it done until you've actually done the work in the program. For one, always go in order. So you're going to click on this assignment. When you're finished, you're going to click on the next one, the next one, the next one. When you've finished them all, then you send to your teacher. And then you go back into your Google Classroom and mark it finished.
Look at these shapes. A closed plane shape with 3 or more sides is called a polygon. Name each polygon shown.
So right now, you're just going to name it. So what is this? A triangle, a square. If you're working on this by yourself and you're stuck, that's okay. Name what you can, and then click on the arrow to continue.
Polygons are a triangle, square, pentagon, and hexagon. Look at these.
So what happened now is the video just started over.
Shown.
So you're going to have to go up here where it says exit. Click on the yellow arrow, assignments. I went ahead and pushed on assignments, and I see that we have more assignments. So we've done that one. You see there's a check mark. I'm going to go ahead and do this last one for an example so you could see. Let's do this one together. Okay, so here is an assignment. If you're in the classroom and your teacher would have hand out a worksheet for you, but since we're distance learning right now, we're going to have to do the worksheet on the computer, and that's okay. So there's a pencil, choose what color ink, and I'm gonna write my name. Sandy Danner. My name, and if I messed up, I could go back with this. This is undo, and this is an eraser. Solve each problem using the number line to show your work. Jeb has 264 blocks in a box. Mia gives Jeb 341 more. How many blocks does Jeb have in all? Okay, where's my pencil? Click on pencil. Let's start with 264. We need to add 341. So let's add 100, 200, 300. And that gives me 564. And then I need to add 40. So let's do 10, 20, 30, 40. So that gives me 604. Sorry, it's so messy. And then I need to add 1. And so that's 605. Did I do that right, boys and girls? I can't leave my answer there. I have to put it over here where it says 605 blocks. Whew, that was kind of cool. I like that visual. Josh has 509 chickens. Woo, that's a lot of chickens on his farm. Bob gives Josh 111 chickens. Billy gives him 21 chickens. How many chickens does Josh have on his farm? So I like to start at 509. 509. And we have to add 111. So it's easy to add 100. So let's add 100. Right? You think 509 and 100 is easy? So that gives us what? 609. Now we have to, I'm just going to add 11. So let's do plus 10. That's this part. So 609 plus 10 is what, boys and girls? Help me out. Yeah, 619. But we have one more, so plus 1. Oops. That doesn't look like a plus. 619 plus 1 is 620. Okay, we did that one. We have this one left. 620. What's an easy way to add? Plus 10 plus 10? Plus 10 plus 10. So that is 620 plus 10 is 630 plus 10 is 640. And don't forget the little 1 plus 1. So now we have what? 641. You could almost do that in your head because we're adding it by the big numbered chunks. 500 plus 100 is 600. Yeah, so we have, I'm going to circle my answer. 641 chickens. So I did it, so now you can click it and send to the teacher. Now let's go ahead and close that tab. You've done it perfect. You don't have to write a note. But if you were having trouble, why not just type a note to your teacher? This one was hard for me. Or you could write a note here, but the whole class will see it. So don't forget, the whole class sees what you write here. Only the teacher sees what you write here. So it's your choice. But if you're having trouble, ask for help. I need help on this one. And then mark it as done. So that is how you go into Google Classroom on, I'm going to go ahead and close that, your Chromebook. And going on to Google Classroom with your parents' desktop or laptop is almost the same. I have a different video to explain how to do that. So I'm going to sign out, log out, oops. And right here in the bottom, if you're sharing your Chromebook with somebody else, can you do me a favor? Click on the clock like we do in Computer Lab and push sign out. You did it. Good job. Bye.